I'm James Graham, originally from South Africa. Came over to New Zealand to set up a company called Multifed Technology for the purpose of growing our R&D facilities, specifically because there's a shortage of engineers in South Africa, and we found that in New Zealand there's some really high quality, high grade universities producing some very good engineers. Multifed is an electronic engineering research and development company, and we're affiliated with a company in South Africa doing military and high-end industrial design and electronic product development. We do work in the military communications arena, developing equipment that goes into fighting vehicles to allow the soldiers to communicate with each other. And we've recently started doing business into Australia. Also, we see great opportunities of exporting into Asia now that there's a number of free trade agreements being set up between New Zealand and Korea, India, China. So we're hoping that we could get in the back of that and grow our exports to those countries. Multifed doesn't rely on passing trade. We can work in isolation from the main population group, which is in Auckland. We found that most graduates from the university in electronic engineering really like to get involved in doing design work specifically, and there are not a huge number of opportunities. However, in Tauranga is ideally situated because you have Hamilton and then you have Wellington, not too far away in terms of the educational institutes, the universities. And also we believe that it won't be long before the universities will start setting up campuses within the area of Tauranga. We see that happening in the not too distant future. There are some faculties running from this area, and we would imagine that it won't be long before that engineering faculties also get going, and that will place us in exactly the right position to take advantage of that. Well, Tauranga is ideal because you don't have the clutter, if you like. It's more free thinking, it's more open, there's less people, yet it has all the business requirements that you need. It's got a very good port, which is ideal if you're going to export. There is no reason to have to send stuff through to Auckland to export. You could conceivably do it through Tauranga. Stuff can come straight in. There's no issue, and it's very well organised and very well coordinated. And there's future growth. I think people are looking to grow Tauranga. It's almost like a fresh start, if you like, and we can only see it growing into a very big city over the long term. For us, I think it's really good that we're in the environment now at the start of the growth of Tauranga, because Tauranga is growing. You can only see it going leaps and bounds into the future, and we're at the sort of cutting edge of what's happening here in terms of technology, moving more away from farming, more into high-tech industrial sectors, and we see ourselves being ideally placed.